Hello. Lysimachia mauritiana is a plant which frequently grows on seashores of Japan. I am actually here at the seashore near Wakayama, the seashore of the Pacific Ocean. So, Lysimachia mauritiana, as the name suggests, describe it from Indian Ocean, but it grows everywhere in parts of Indian Ocean coast and Western Pacific coast, and common in Japan. It has small whitish flowers and red, in that case at least, well, weight fruits. So this is Lysimachia mauritiana. Thank you very much.